Model, 70-plate Fiat Ducato 35 2.3 140 Multijet Tecnico MH2 needs engine cat included. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 71,268. MOT, the 12th of November 2024. Engine, 2287 ccF1 AGL 4113 E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, air-con, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,495 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.